Hello everybody, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a Gorilla Tag copy in with Unity. So my thing might be a little closed in and it might look a little weird. Just don't mind that. I have to because of my monitor. For this one, I think we'll be doing Mountain Beta. Make sure you download this. Make sure you rename Photon Manager to Photon Manager or Photon Manager. Just add a letter or remove a letter. Doesn't really matter. You're gonna go here, download. We're gonna wait for it to download. I'll come back when it's done downloading. Alright, and it's done downloading. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go into our files right here, and we're gonna right click, extract all, extract. A lot of tutorials don't really do this for, I bet I might have like a sinus infection right now, I don't even know. And then we're gonna go and find Mountain Beta Project 3, click on it right here. Alright, yep. So rename VC Fix Mountain Beta to whatever you want your project's name to be. So for me, I guess I'll do tutorial. Then you're gonna go into your Unity hub. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna click add project from disk, downloads, Mountain Beta Project 3, then double click on tutorial, then make sure you don't have any of these selected, then click open. Now you're going to see a tutorial here. You might have to download that Unity version. After you do, you're just going to click on it. It might take a while for you to load this. Like, it's already been in there for a minute. It probably will take longer for you because I got pretty good Wi-Fi. Alright, so I think it's done. So that took me a few minutes, so you gotta be careful. Make sure if you go in here, there's no errors, you can just clear them if there are. Then you see this is not Gorilla Tag, is it? So what you're gonna click is you're gonna double click on scenes, then double click on Gorilla, then double click on Gorilla Tag, then double click on Gorilla Tag new visuals cosmetics. Then if you're in here, this is what you're gonna see. You're gonna see all this stuff. And if you did it right, then there shouldn't be any clears, there shouldn't be any errors. And if there are, then I will make a tutorial on how to fix them. And sorry if I sound a little quiet. I don't know, do I sound quiet or not? Okay, I sound good. Okay, so after this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go on this website. I have it linked down below. You're gonna go in PlayFab. Don't mind that. PlayFab, sign in with Microsoft. You might have to create a new account, doesn't really matter. If you do, I'm obviously gonna clear not gonna show you guys my other title IDs, but you're gonna create new studio, name it whatever you want. I name it Blazer. Keep that, or you can just delete it, doesn't really matter. You're gonna right click on the new studio you made, new title, name it whatever you want. I'm naming it tutorial. You don't really have to make a picture. Then you're gonna click on this, you're gonna double click, you're gonna copy that number up there, then go here, then after you copy that, you're going to go to the other thing that I've linked in the description. It might be in the comments, I don't know. Dashboard. Then you're going to create a new app. Then you're going to make sure this is at real time. an application, I'm making it tutorial. Create one of those. I misspelled tutorial. I don't really care. Create another new app. Voice. Name that tutorial VC. It doesn't really matter what you name it as long as you know it's the voice. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go back into Unity. You're going to type in my bad, I suck at spelling. PlayFab Authenticator. You're going to click on that. Then right here, you're going to right click, edit scripts. Make sure you have Visual Studio, and you should have got that whenever you you should have gotten Visual Studio whenever you made this, whenever you installed the editor version. So right here, we're going to type it 90 AC, paste that, and change this to 1122. Then you see how it says app ID real time. You're going to go over here, go to your Photon, find your app ID. I'm not showing mine, but right here, double click on this. You double click on this, Control C. Then I'm going to go and I'm going to copy. I'm not going to copy, I'm going to select all of this. Then I'm going to Control V by selecting my real time. Then I'm going to go back here. I'm going to find tutorial, Control C, go back here, real time, and change that. Then right here, you're going to also copy this again. Right here, you're just going to paste that right there. Save. Then you're going to scroll all the way down. See where it says application quit? Just delete that entire thing. Then save it again. Yeah. Now you're going to go back to your PlayFab. You're going to go to add-ons. Then Photon. Then scroll down to right here. Set up Photon real-time with PlayFab. Find this right here. Copy this. Paste it up here. Don't click enter. Then you're going to go back to your PlayFab and copy that. Then go here and select the brackets and paste that. Make sure there's no brackets. Then copy that. You can exit out of that. Then go to tutorial, manage. Do not click edit properties and then add a script. Click custom server, authentication URL, Control V, and then save. And you're going to do that exact same thing for your voice. So I'm going to find tutorial VC. I'm going to click manage. I'm going to click custom server. I'm going to Control V, save. Now we're going to go back here. We're going to copy our voice. Scroll down right here. Put voice in chat app ID. Then you're going to go back to dashboard. And you're going to copy tutorial, your real time. Then you're going to put real time in the real time. Then you're going to click install Photon. And then it should give you that and give you secret key and do all that. Then, after you're done with that, you're going to go in here. Also, you should probably delete this right there. Yeah. Now, you got working servers and everything should be yours, so let's play. See, so we're in the game, right? Alright, so let's find where we are. Are we in tutorial right now? Wait, are we in tutorial? Okay, we're not in tutorial. Alright, so I made all this. So, you're gonna go to non-scripts. Then you're gonna click on revisions. And here you'll click on revisions. Then you're gonna copy this right here, Control C. Then you're gonna go to your PlayFab. Now I'm on my PlayFab. You're gonna go into your tutorial, or not your tutorial, but you're gonna go into your project, automation, revisions legacy, Control A, delete, Control V. Now save as revision 2, deploy this revision after save and deploy. Now, since you do that, now you're going to go to settings. You're going to go to API features, scroll down, and disable all of these, and then make sure you click save. Now look at this. Now delete all that. Play. Now, see, we're not banned. Now look, we can test click again, enter. This will make us go to a lobby, and look at this. Now, you're probably wondering why it went away. So, what you have to do is you have to search up Photon Manager. You're gonna do this. You just have to change the name. You probably don't want to change it to like some bunch of random letters, but you just want to add a letter or remove a letter. Probably add a letter. So I'll just add a space, and that'll be good. Or you could add another R, and that's what I'm gonna actually do. So now look, see that that's renamed. You're gonna play. You're going to click 1, test click, enter, just enter match. And now you're actually in real matches, and you don't, like, you're in a real match, and you don't have to do anything else. You probably should, so you'll be better, but yep, that's all you gotta do. Okay guys, so there's one thing I forgot to do, and I made this like a while after I was recording, so it's like 12:44 now. So there's one more thing you have to do. So you have to go in your PlayFab. You have to go to economy, currency legacy, new currency, currency code, SR, display name, all capitals, shiny rocks, all capitals. Then you can do this whatever you want. Initial deposit is how much they get when they start. I'll do whatever that is. Recharge rate 100, 1 million, no, that much. Then you do 9 or 10 nines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then they gotta, yeah, you gotta do 9 nines, but that's good enough. Then you have that. Then you're gonna go back to the Discord. I'm making this tutorial later. Find whatever one you use. I just use the every update. You're gonna click on the download every update. Then you go to catalogs, legacy. Everything that you do is legacy, not v2. Upload JSON, choose file, every update. Then upload file. I forgot that you have to do that, and this is what you have to do, and yeah.